Hello subscribers and students of English House. I am Peter. I am the principal of Oxford School of English, and I'd like to welcome you to Oxford and to our school. Let's have a look inside. So here we are in reception. This is where we have the two staff, Rachel and Charlotte, who take care of the students, answer all inquiries, answer the phone and deal with face-to-face inquiries. But Charlotte's looking the wrong way and not looking at the camera. And over here we have our accommodation managers, Jan and Anthea, who do a fantastic job providing host families and accommodation. Hello. You can probably see out of the window we have lovely views of the city centre over the rooftops of Oxford. In the distance there you can see Christ Church College. And then over here we have the student lounge. The student lounge is a large space where students can relax at any time. We even have a piano. Students often play the piano. We have a tuck shop too. The shop is open at break times and is run by students in the school. Here we have a small library. Students can borrow any of these books at any time. We have DVDs too. And if you turn around and have a look, you can see the student lounge and the tuck shop. So there we sell tea and coffee and snacks and biscuits and chocolate and hot chocolate and all kinds of good things to eat and drink.
Hello, students and subscribers of English House. My name is Rosa and I'm the Director of Studies here at Oxford School of English. We would very much love to welcome students from Kazakhstan here at our school. We look forward to meeting you. Have a nice day.
Good morning subscribers and students at English House Astana. My name is Tim Lobe, and I am a teacher here at Oxford School of English. We welcome you to Oxford School of English. If you should decide to study here, please contact us and we'll be sure to get in touch with you.
Good morning, subscribers and students of English House Astana. My name's Ian. I'm a teacher at Oxford School of English. Let's see, if you'd like to come and study here, then contact English House Astana, and I'll be happy to see you here.
So if you want to make a big improvement in your English, come to England. Not only England, to Oxford, where we speak the very best English. And make sure you ask English House, our agent and partner in Astana and all of Kazakhstan. They can arrange everything for you.
Take a look around me, taking pages from a magazine. Been looking for the answers ever since we were 17. You know the truth can be a weapon to fight this world of ill intentions. A new answer to the same question. How many times will you learn the same lesson? I think they got it all wrong. We just gotta hold on and on and on and on. 'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry, it's about to be legendary.
Достар, жаңа жаттығу күні 50 минут көлемінде болды. Бәрі де ойдағыдай ет жеуге дайынмын.